Two leading platforms, Wise and Relay Financial, are changing the way businesses handle their money. But when it comes down to it, which one really delivers? On the left, Wise, optimized for international transactions. On the right, Relay Financial, streamlined domestic banking for businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get into what actually matters. We'll break down the key categories, give out the points, and at the end, you'll clearly see who comes out on top. And the winner might just surprise you. All right, so here's the mind map. These are the categories we're going to run through today. First up, we have banking services. Then we'll look at international transactions. Of course, debit card options need their own section. After that, integration and tools, and finally, pricing. So, buckle up. We're about to dig deep. First things first, banking services. Let's talk about Relay Financial. Honestly, they're pretty stacked in this department. Comprehensive services, FDIC-insured accounts, which, peace of mind, and you can open multiple checking and even savings accounts. I mean, for a business that just wants solid banking basics, Relay nails it. The catch, not so hot if you're dealing internationally. Now, Wise. Wise does offer multi-currency support, which is awesome if you're running things globally. But, and I'm going to say it with a bit of sigh, no business checking accounts offered. And their domestic services? Pretty limited if we're keeping it real. So if you want pure domestic banking power, Relay comes out on top here. Next up, international transactions. Wise steps into the spotlight. This is basically their bread and butter. Competitive exchange rates, multi-currency account support, and the fees for international transfers? Seriously low. So if you're paying vendors overseas or receiving payments from around the world, Wise makes life way easier. Relay, not so much. High wire transfer fees and, honestly, options for international payments feel kinda minimal. They're more about keeping things inside the US. So yeah, for global moves, Wise takes this one. All right, debit card options. Relay knocks it out of the park here. Get this. You can have up to 50 debit cards, virtual or physical, which means spending controls and limits galore. If you need to hand out cards to your team and want a grip on expenses, this is a killer feature. Wise? It's fine, but honestly, a little basic compared to Relay. You get a free first debit card, but then additional cards? Gotta pay. Plus, you're limited to virtual ones. So not ideal if your business still deals with actual wallets sometimes. Relay's flexibility totally wins here. You know what? Here's something cool most folks overlook. Relay lets you set up to 20 checking accounts, totally fee-free. Wise, meanwhile, supports over 50 currencies for international transactions. So if you're running a global shop or you just like having loads of accounts, these little quirks could swing your decision. Integration and tools time. Relay comes through with QuickBooks and Xero integration for those who basically live inside their accounting software. Accounts payable management is in there too, making stuff smoother for bookkeepers and finance teams. One little quirk though, API access is kinda limited, which may annoy the techies. Wise isn't exactly left behind. They provide multi-user access, API availability, yay, automation, but no Yodlee integration. So if you need that specific hookup, Wise might bum you out a little. But overall, Relay just edges it out with how seamlessly it fits bookkeeping workflows. Now, let's talk pricing. Possibly my favorite bit. Relay has literally no monthly fees or minimums for their basic services, and they throw in free ACH transfers up to certain limits. Pretty generous, right? If you need more, their Pro plan is $30 a month, which isn't terrible. Wise also has no monthly fees for basic stuff, but heads up, transaction fees come into play, and they add up, especially if you're sending lots of payments internationally. So in terms of raw value for most businesses, Relay just feels cheaper and more predictable. All right, let's bring up the radar chart and look at how these two stack up across the board. It's pretty clear. Relay dominates with domestic banking, debit card flexibility, and integrations. Wise? You see their edge with international stuff and multi-currency expertise. The chart just makes it obvious where each shines. So, my final thoughts? Relay is totally the move if your business lives in the US, needs classic banking tools, and loves having a ton of debit cards at your disposal. But if you're the globetrotting type, working with overseas partners, handling multiple currencies, Wise just makes everything smoother. I wouldn't even try to force one tool for both jobs. Pick the one that matches your business needs. All right, go ahead. Optimize your business banking today. Which one is your winner? Relay or Wise? Let me know what you picked and why. Here's to streamlining your financial operations. Catch you in the next one.